Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to answer a quick question that I had about this little Cabela stool here. And the question was the chair comfortable? And I will say, for short term, yes. I mean, it's nice to be able to take a load off. It's nice to be able to sit down. And, you know, while you're working around the fire with the smoke, just a couple seconds ago, it was, okay, there we go. You know, if I'm doing a project, like when I made the meatloaf, I was sitting down on this because I can sit here and I can work. You know, I had something that I was doing. I've made bannock sitting in this chair. I'll just sit there and stir it. You know, it's nice to be able to take a load off. It's nice to be able to sit down, and when you're shooting videos, you know, I can sit down and I have a consistent height for the camera, so I can work, do my thing. But if I was going to be sitting here for a long time, I want something like this because I have back support. And I took this on an overnighter one time, and man, my back was just, I was dying. My back really hurt. I really was wishing I had this at the time, because it's nice to be able to sit back and get comfortable. Now the price difference is, this is $10. Well, it was $10 when I bought it, and this was significantly more. But for comfort worth, it was worth it. I don't regret buying this chair at all. Even though it's already got a little hole in it from a fireplace, a fire pit spark hit the chair. But, you know, it just gives it character. I got that red chair too, which is also just as comfortable, but I wanted to show this one for comparison. You know, when you can lean back and rest your back, it's well worth the money in my opinion. I'll link the video for the stool and the video for this chair down in the description, and I hope that answers your question, although I did respond to his question on the comments. But you know, for those who are wondering and, you know, didn't ask, or maybe you're watching on your mobile device, you don't want to type it in on your phone, like, is that chair comfortable? Yeah, it's comfortable for short term, but for long term you want back support. So there you go. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.